A totally new iPhone is coming soon, but there's good news and bad news you need to know. The iPhone 15 is shaping up to be one of Apple's biggest iPhone upgrades ever, but at the same time, it's about to also get more expensive than it's ever been before. So here's what you need to know right now about Apple's all-new iPhone 15 lineup and why the all-new iPhone 15 Ultra will have some awesome features, but also a pretty hefty price tag too. Is it gonna be worth it? Let's find out. So according to all of the rumors right now, Apple has got some pretty big plans for the iPhone 15 line. The dynamic island is coming to every single model, no longer just reserved for the higher end pros. We're getting some big camera upgrades, an all new design to every single model, and even an all new model of the iPhone we've never seen before called the iPhone 15 Ultra. And if the rumors are true, Apple's going to take a page from the Apple Watch Ultra and the M1 Ultra and bring the Ultra name to the iPhone for the very first time to showcase that this phone right here is the best of the best. It's got the highest end materials, it's got the biggest screen, the best battery life, and also it's going to have the biggest price tag too of any iPhone model out there. Okay, so obvious question here, what makes the iPhone 15 Ultra so special? Because the truth is, it's actually just a Pro Max version in disguise. That means, some good news here, it's going to have the monstrously large battery for insane battery life, it's going to have the really big 6.7-inch OLED display that has ProMotion and also the always-on mode. It's going to be super fast, great for watching movies, playing games, and all that stuff. But also, since it's going to be called the Ultra, should have some exclusive features on it too that you can't find on any other model. Specifically, the 15 Ultra is going to have some special features in the camera department. It's probably going to be the only iPhone to have a 10x optical zoom lens thanks to some new periscope zoom lens technology built only into that iPhone. So every single iPhone model is going to get this state-of-the-art Sony image sensor for great photos and videos, but if you want the best, most crispy zoom on any iPhone model, that's going to be reserved for the iPhone 15 Ultra only. There are also rumors that Apple could steal some DNA from the Apple Watch Ultra and maybe bring that to the 15 Ultra as well. So maybe the 15 Ultra gets an action button on the side that you can sort of have a special color for and sort of program it to do anything you want. Or maybe it's got a glass and titanium build instead of stainless steel. Or maybe it's going to have a design that's a bit more bold and rugged and more durable and waterproof than any other iPhone 15 model you can get. The Apple Watch Ultra is made for the most demanding conditions, so maybe the 15 Ultra would sort of be the same. It's also expected to get some new colors, possibly an even larger storage size option at 2 terabytes, and of course, along with all the special features, is gonna be a pretty big Ultra price tag too. As of right now, the iPhone Pro Max series is going to set you back around $1,100 for the standard storage configuration, and on one hand, I could totally see Apple keeping the price unchanged. Even with these new features, Apple keeps the price the same because that's sort of what Apple does. They rarely raise iPhone prices, but on the other hand, throwing in the new Ultra name and some new features might give Apple the opportunity they need to do a little rebranding and retooling to make the iPhone 15 Ultra's price basically higher than it's ever been before. For reference, Samsung is charging nearly $2,000 for their high-end Galaxy Fold, sort of the best phone you can buy from them, so it's not so crazy to think that maybe Apple sort of takes a page from Samsung's playbook and does something similar. Not sure if they can get away with $2,000 for the 15 Ultra, especially since it doesn't flip or fold, but maybe creeping up to $1,200 or even $1,300 for the base 15 Ultra certainly isn't out of the question. Of course, this is Apple we're talking about, and they're known for having some pretty ultra prices all the time.